Hey guys, Cindric, Czech DC-9 project again with a small update. I did some environment things around, and as I've been working on the overhead panel, especially on the EGP the GPS module, and the backlight of the overhead and the main instrument panel. And I also mounted some cool stuff into the sound system, which we don't need to simulate. So once I turn on the battery, we will hear a very nice noise, I believe. So let's turn on the battery now, and you see the lights comes on the master warning and the master caution, of course, but you hear the clicking noise, which comes from the altimeter of the first officer, and this is called a vibrator, which is actually doing what its name says. So it's vibrating. It's mounted behind the instrument, and there is a system that is vibrating the altimeter. It's not strong, but the frequency is so specific that the vibrator is affecting all the instruments that are mounted into the panel. So if previously the right oil quantity shows not absolutely correct values, this clicking, these from the altimeter is solving that, because that makes a very specific kind of vibration, and that's the sound you may hear in the cockpits around the world in the aircraft. And that's what we have now. That's not a fake. That's nothing that we need to play. That this instrument is doing that noise. That's it. That's the vibrator there. If I turn on the battery, some will go off, because that vibrator is connected to the DC transfer bus, which when I turn on the battery, to emergency bus. When I turn on the battery, or if I turn on the emergency power, it's on the DC bus, definitely. It's not on the emergency. But other things that I've been doing is, if I turn on the power, you see there is the pressurization control panel. If I turn on the power, I have the ground power. This thing should go alive. No, it's not. It's stuck. Okay. There's some problem, but the GPUS is live. You see the in-up light here. The in-up light is there because the enhanced GPS has a GPS receiver, which when power on, it takes about 15 or 20 minutes to align. But we should be able to hear the test comments from when we put the test, and it was programmed especially for according to the documents that we have. And the sequence of the test and the envelopes in which the aircraft can get in are programmed especially for our aircraft. I also was working on the overhead backlight, so the panel light here. If I turn the panel light to the right, it starts to shine. You see the backlights on all the panels. Even the panel itself is shining. So all the panel lights are now on, and they are connected. So that's very cool. especially during the night when there is no light. And I also connected the main panel. I'll turn off these lights here. And also this panel is connected to there's the same backlight for the glass shield. So this is the knob for the glass shield and the center panel. So if I turn on the power here, you see also I have light here. So that this panel is also connected to the backlight to the original transformers, 150 volts to 0 to 5 volts, 10 steps. And what else I have? Sure, I have the temp control. That you see that before. That's nothing new, maybe, I don't know. The auto temp control and the manual is working as it is just in the aircraft. And all the ER systems are working just like before. So it's just the only thing I want to show you that thing too, but that is not responding to me. I don't know why. I have to look at it. The clicking noise, isn't it amazing? It's clicking all the time and nobody cares about it. We thought it will be problem on long flights, but once it is clicking, you get really fast getting into it, so you don't hear it anymore in a few minutes. Okay, so that's the update until now. So we're working hard and we are trying our best, and see you next time. Bye bye.